Go ahead.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody. My name is Sunny Sachdeva, and I've been in the IT space for about 25 years or so. And today, my friend Ken Ho is going to show us how he built a web app using AI. Ken, go ahead.
Hey, thank you, Sunny. This is Kenneth Ho, and then I'm glad here today to show you how to build a web app using AI. And I've been in IT industry for 25 years also, like Sunny. So first of all, I'm going to show you the app I built, so you guys know the end product, and then we will tell you what is step going to build it, right? So let me share my screen. Wait, hold on. Share. Okay, Sunny, do you see it?
I do.
Okay, so this is the web app that I built, right? So it's called Bingdom. So Bingdom is offload your mind every day. You can type in your idea, what you're doing every day, and then you will come out the result. It tell you what tell you what you do every day, so you can focus your work. So if this is a landing page, right, that we build, and then this is about what being done, right? Offload your thought, your idea, your chaos, what's your project, what's the task you need to do that day. They will tell you, AI will tell you, hey, this is the first priority, second priority, something like that. This is the basic testimony, right? People using this app, right, to just leave a couple very nice message and how great the app can help you. This like everybody can use in this app basically, right? Professional, personal use, it doesn't matter who you are, everybody can use in this app. At the end, you want to give you a free version to use to try. So basically one Bingdom per day, and then there's a pro plan if you upgrade $6 per month, right? So that's how it works. So let me share, right? So basically integrate with AI, right? And then also integrate with the Stripe, and then we will show you later on. Then I'm gonna share the keynote. Let me do that. Okay, let me go back to the first slide, right? First slide is, the app called Bingdom. And then basically, like I told you before, this app allow user to dump, their idea, the task, the project, personal or work related. You're telling your emotion, you're stressed out, right? And then AI would tell you what is the part of the list you need to do that day. So at the end of the day, because you know which one you need to do first, then you finish the task and project, so you're not overwhelmed by other not important project or tasks.
Yeah, just help you prioritize what's important and what's not important.
That's correct. Thanks. So we're gonna tell you what tools we're gonna use. So there's main two tools is ChatGPT, and the other one's the Bo.new. Okay, so we can start now actually, right?
So I think the important part here is that from our experience, right, what we've seen is at this point, you can make an app without any experience in coding.
Yep.
And these tools have come along. I built a mobile app myself, and in December, it was difficult without having coding experience. But you can make apps now without coding experience because the LLMs have gone farther, and some of these IDEs like Bolt or Cursor, now they have agent modes, which help you as well.
That's correct. So you don't go to basically you don't want to go to any AI programming tools and start program randomly. You need to set up all the detail. You need to have plan. So because AI doesn't know what you're thinking, you have to tell them what to do so they can create a web app for you. So you cannot just program right away. Oh, I want this, I want that. So you need some kind of plan. You need to tell. So that's what I think exactly. We're gonna show you how to do it. So we're gonna using Bingdom idea, same thing, right? So in the ChatGPT, you're gonna say something like this: a web app where user their thoughts, right, via text or voice. I'm gonna, type it, and the app return inside categorize gonna belong to do list, right? And you can say there's a subtle worries, right? Your stress using the open AI API call, right? I also want to include, let's say, focus time. So you can, there's a timer there, and we will, and you please list down all the core feature for this web app. So you hit this. So let's see what ChatGPT come back. Okay, so it's generating all the core feature right now for this web app. Okay, for capture, right? You tell you test, we tell him we need test, we can record it, right? And then AI power analysis via OpenAI API. We can focus time. There's a really review, right? Let me see. Okay, user experience. You want a clean UI, basically a landing page, right? So let's keep going. Okay. Mobile something. Okay, so this is optional. So what we usually do is with the task, we're using Moscow framework can prioritize the what we build for this web app. Now, usually we call MVP. So let's say one. Sonny, what's the MVP stand for?
Minimum viable product.
That's right. So you can build this web app for any client for the phase one, right? Phase one mean there's a core feature, right? You can add other feature later on. So let's see, right? Could you please using Moscow framework in order to prioritize the features of MVP phase one, for example? So let's see what ChatGPT says.
Yeah, this was interesting, the Moscow method.
Yep. It's generated right now. You see, they will tell you should have or must have actually, right? That's good. Reflecting prompt based on the entry, tagging it is good. Distract free focus mode is really good. Could have. You see, this is maybe phase two that you can build a mobile app based on this web app, for example, right? Okay, this won't have our scope. Okay, that's fine, right? We just want to learn how to use AI, the OpenAI to tell the AI coding tools to build this app, right? So what the next step will be user journey, right? The user journey very important, right? People look at your web app, they want a good experience. So you want to ask OpenAI, hey, what is the user journey, right? So right here, what we are
And are you
trying.
going to save this, the Moscow method output?
No, you don't need to save now.
Okay.
All in there anyway. So we can copy paste later if you need to. The goal of this, right, is to understand exactly what we are going to build in MVP phase 1 and how user journey would look like so that I could proceed. Okay, here we go. Target user flow, that's good. Core purpose, that's what we need, right? Those things is user experience for your any app you create is super important. Right here, that's good. Target user is this, that's really good. User onboarding is very good, right? You need to, you want user to log in and then to use your app. You can keep track the people, how many people log in if you know, using this method. Okay, good. Focus time, video review for journey is good. Okay, so the next step, okay, so here's what I want to do. So usually when you build a web app, you want to monetize it. So, right, so I want OpenAI to tell you how to monetize it, right? I want to give me a monetize plan for this MVP, right? Which could work best, could work best in the market. Please be brief. Okay, so I spelled wrong here, but it's okay. I think they know what I mean.
Yeah, smart.
Yeah. You see, there's a freemium model, right? Limited per day, right? You can be 1, 2, 3. Is AI inside? That's good. That's good. Pro tier, unlimited. Deeper AI analysis. One-time lifetime plan. Okay, you can too. Yeah, that's good. That's how to. So this give you idea how to monetize your web app. So by the way, we're using ChatGPT is free. All right, we don't have any advanced version, right? So then we want to drive the final MVP plan, right, for phase 1. So
So far we have the core ideas that it
yeah.
made us, and we have the priority based on the Moscow method, right? So we
Yep.
prioritize it also.
Mhm.
So now what do we need? The UI?
Yes. So what we're gonna do is the UI, yes, the UI, the MVP plan. So basically, here's what I do, right? Order review, I'm gonna type it out. Order overview, one-liner version, right? Finalize MVP feature, right? Must have for phase 1, right? Detail user journey, the detail user journey for the MVP. Then edge case, that's the backend. Any edge case that you may catch. Tech stack, right? Plus on. I wish I can copy and paste this, but next time. Tech stack and monetization plan. Now I want you to draft the MVP plan for all of the finalized core feature for income MVP phase 1 using about structure. Yep, the final review must have phase one. So basically, he released all the core feature for MVP phase one for the Pingdom app. That's edge case. Yeah. Monetization plan.
Hey, can you go to the tech stack one more time?
Say again?
Tech stack. Okay, so what do we have? Front end, Next.js, and Tailwind CSS, back end, Node.js, API, ChatGPT, Firebase Author. Okay.
The database.
Superbase.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Hosting, Vercel, Netlify. Okay.
That's at the end when you go. Yeah, and the payments.
Stripe.
Yep. Yeah, test that. So then we're gonna create a UI, right? The UI will tell, basically the UI is very important after this one. The UI will, you just copy paste the UI step in the AI coding tools, right? So they will know what to do basically, right? So based on, I'm gonna type it in again. Session so far, give me detailed UI development plan in detail for all screen that would be required for this MVP. Make the UI development plan as detailed as possible. Hold on. And explain all the UI component layout in detail. Don't mention any styling. Styling means your landing page. I don't need to tell me how to design. We show you how to do it later on. And at the end, give me the UI flow for all. Just give me the UI flow. UI flow for all of the screen in brief. So let's see what it open up the ChatGPT tell what to do. Okay. Email input, logo, this is like you need logo. We need authentication. Email field submit button, yep. That's after login. Sidebar has focus time, preview, general. Home label, what's on your mind, right? Because you want to type, and then they will trigger the AI in the back end. Focus timer. Watch on the screen, great. Video review, same thing, right? And UI flow summary. So people log in, the user log in, and then the for input, they will analysis. That's good. Okay. Oh, do I click something?
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
Stop it.
Yeah. What?
You can stop it. Yeah.
Okay, let me stop it right now. Oh, I don't know what happened right here. Let me go back. Oh, where's it now? I don't know what's going on. Let me go back. ChatGPT. So that's what we left off today. Great, fine.
Okay. Are there any other documents, or do you think that's enough to start?
Yeah, we have enough to start.
Okay. Why don't we stop the video over here, and then we can do the next video where we take this information and put it in bold.
That's agree. So let me stop sharing first. Okay. And then I'm gonna start recording now.